Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss the camera that I shoot on, my favorite camera. I've got so many different cameras here in the studio, but this is my number one camera, and I still love it even though it's old in 2020. Here we go. All right, let's jump over to the computer here. The camera that I'm shooting on right now is the Sony A5100. Now, this camera was actually released years ago. I think it was originally released in like 2017, I want to say. No, 2014. Oh my gosh. Wow. So this camera's been out there for a long time. And why this is the best camera, in my opinion, okay, is because of, the way that you can adjust this camera for video specifically. It's a great photography camera. I don't know that much about photography, but I've looked at reviews and images that people have created with it. But for the price, $448, you've got a fantastic camera. Video quality, you've only got 1080p. A lot of people get caught up on that, but you don't need 4K. Most of the videos online are not in 4K, and unless you're on like the bleeding edge, you don't need that to upload great videos. Now, one big drawback, I guess you could say, of this camera is this. Now, if you're vlogging, you've got the flip out screen so you can hold the camera. It's adjustable. Sony got it right on this camera. The big problem that I have with this camera is if you look at the inputs on the side here, you've got your SD card, you've got like a micro HDMI and another HDMI here. And excuse me, that might be a different input. But you've got 24 megapixels, but the big problem, and you probably already know, is that you don't have a microphone input. Look at this on the side here. There's the HDMI, there's the multi. On the other side of the camera, where's the photo? Where is it? I think it's here. No. Hold on. There it is. Look, you have no 3.5 millimeter mic input. Now, if you're using this camera and you want to have great audio, right? The camera audio is terrible. It's got a little microphone on it. What you're gonna need to do is use something like this Zoom H5. Look, and then you mount this on top of the camera. Let me go back here. You mount it on top of the camera, and then what you have is you have a way to in post, okay? You can sync those audio files and then delete the camera audio, and then you've got a premium camera with premium audio. And look at this, the price that you're gonna pay for both of those, even with the zoom on top of it, you can get one used on Amazon or eBay. You're not gonna be paying that much money. A lot of people online do all this hype of you need the latest camera and all this, and the body of the camera is like $1,000 or $2,000. Look at this, $450, $448 even. You're in, you've got a camera, you can start vlogging, you can start making videos. Now, the big thing you're gonna want for this is to upgrade the lens. The kit lens that comes with it is not the best lens. I don't even know what lens I have on this camera because I have so many. I believe it's a Sigma lens. I'll have to double check that, but I'll link to it down below. But if you're just starting out, look at this video quality even here on me with good lighting, an older camera. Like I said earlier, 2014, it's 2020. I'm still using this camera. It's a great camera. I would highly, highly recommend it. If you're just starting out on YouTube or you've been doing YouTube for a while, it's one of the best bangs for your buck. So please check it out. I'll put all the links down in the description below. And hey, let me know what you think. I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching.